welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going to New Orleans, Louisiana. In New Orleans, we're going to be going downtown and hanging out at a rooftop bar at the Troubadour Hotel. Alright, so you come in, here is the shower, nice, there's a sink. Low to the ground for some reason. And this thing over here. We have a little bar area. They also have a rooftop bar. We're about to go over there in just a second. I have to get my parking situation taken care of. Here's downtown. But I'm looking for the park. I think it's on the other side. I think I chose the wrong one. Oh, there's the Hilton. The Holiday Inn Express. And there's supposed to be a park. We rode by it, but I don't see it. I think it's on the other side. You can't really see it. Okay, and that's it. If you have never been to Cafe Beniet, you have got to go. It is one of the must-sees and must-dos when you go to New Orleans. Y'all, these beignets were hot and amazing. And I also got a little bit of gumbo too, which was very good. And also some of those shrimp po' boys.